Everyone likes to think that they're a pretty handy steerer, and a lot of us probably imagine ourselves as a race car driver. Well, today I get to test my skills. I'm doing the Level 4 Porsche Driver Training Academy. Think of Porsche's Level 4 Academy as a racing driver school, because for everyday folk, this is about as close as you'll get to slipping on the helmet and honing your craft on circuit like a true professional. The school is run at Queensland Raceway by touring car legend Tomas Mezera. The Bathurst 1000 winner and his entourage of instructors work with students across the space of one action-packed day. In all, you'll get 40 laps of QR behind the wheel of a sparkling new 911 GT3. On this particular day, we are benchmarking our performance at QR against Carsales' own Luke Youlden, who set a time of 57.8 seconds just a couple of weeks earlier. The magic mark here at the Queensland Raceway is getting around the GP circuit in under 60 seconds. In fact, Thomas says it's like breaking the sound barrier. So at the moment, I'm right on the cusp of it, like a tenth of a second off, and I'm trying my darndest to match it. Along with one-on-one tuition from your instructor, the Porsche approach is big on data. After each session, you sit down with an engineer to see where you can improve your time, and importantly, how you can move closer to Luke's benchmark. Porsche's Level 4 Driving Academy is unlike nearly every other driver training course in Australia. Yes, you get that one-on-one tuition that some other schools offer, but the difference here is data, where you could have braked later or earlier, where your turning could have been stronger, where you could have picked up the throttle earlier. And it allows you really to become a better driver. That analysis includes Queensland Raceway's Brave Turn 1, where a minimum corner speed of about 130 k's is required in order to get anywhere near Luke's time. It goes without saying, the 911 GT3 is more than up to the task. The car just sticks. That beautiful rear-engined ethos really shines on this circuit. The other side of the 911 is that it will withstand huge levels of torture, and then you can put the number plates on and drive back home. It really is phenomenal. In the final laps of the final session, on worn tyres and in hot conditions, the 911 GT3 proves its durability by clocking the fastest time of the day, 58.6 seconds. Not once, but twice. That puts me well under the magic minute marker and within a second of Luke's time. But let's be honest, setting a lap time and real-life racing are two very different things. Still, it's nice to feel like a race car driver, even if it's just for a day.